Your passport to global safety standards, introducing the NEBOSH General Certificate. The NEBOSH General Certificate is not just a piece of paper, it's a badge of honor in the world of health and safety. Recognized globally, this qualification speaks volumes about your commitment to creating safer work environments. Whether you're scaling mountains or navigating the concrete jungle, safety always comes first. And that's what this certificate is all about. This certification is your key to understanding the ins and outs of workplace hazards and how to mitigate them. It's about equipping yourself with the knowledge and skills to protect yourself and those around you. Think of it as essential gear for navigating the often unpredictable terrain of workplace safety. But it's not just about ticking boxes. It's about making a real difference. It's about having the confidence to speak up when you see something unsafe. It's about being a leader in your field. So if you're ready to take your commitment to safety to the next level, the NEBOSH General Certificate is your calling. It's time to gear up and take on the challenge. Because in the wild, preparation is everything, and in the workplace, it's no different. Who should take the leap? The NEBOSH General Certificate for every role. Who is the NEBOSH General Certificate for? It's for the doers, the makers, the ones who show up and get things done. It's for anyone who wants to make their workplace safer. That could be you, your team, or even your entire organization. Are you an aspiring professional just starting your journey? This certificate can give you a competitive edge, demonstrating your proactive approach to safety. Managers, this one's for you too. It equips you to lead by example, fostering a culture of safety within your team. Business owners, investing in the NEBOSH General Certificate for yourself and your employees is an investment in your business's most valuable asset, your people. And for HR representatives, this qualification helps you recruit and develop a workforce that prioritizes and champions safety. No matter your role, the NEBOSH General Certificate empowers you to make informed decisions, implement effective safety protocols, and ultimately create a safer and more productive work environment for everyone. Because safety is not just a job, it's a shared responsibility. Climb the ladder: career advancement and specialization with NEBOSH. The NEBOSH General Certificate isn't just a stepping stone, it's a springboard. It propels your career forward, opening doors to new opportunities and greater responsibilities. It's a signal to employers that you're serious about safety and serious about your career. This globally recognized certification sets you apart from the crowd. It demonstrates your commitment to continuous learning and your dedication to maintaining the highest safety standards. And in today's competitive job market, that's a big deal. But it's not just about climbing the corporate ladder. The NEBOSH General Certificate also allows you to specialize. It's the foundation upon which you can build a rewarding career in health and safety. Whether you choose to specialize in construction, manufacturing, or any other industry, this certification provides you with the core knowledge and skills you need to succeed. So embrace the challenge, climb higher, and reach your full potential. Open doors and explore job roles after obtaining your NEBOSH General Certificate. With the NEBOSH General Certificate in hand, you're not just qualified, you're in demand. This internationally recognized certification unlocks a world of exciting job opportunities across various industries. Imagine yourself as a health and safety advisor, a key player in shaping workplace safety policies and procedures. Or perhaps you see yourself as a safety officer, ensuring day-to-day operations are conducted safely and efficiently. The possibilities don't stop there. You could become an environmental health officer, safeguarding public health and the environment, or a fire safety officer, responsible for preventing and managing fire risks. The NEBOSH General Certificate equips you with the knowledge and skills to excel in these roles and more. It's your passport to a rewarding and impactful career where you can make a real difference in the lives of others.